If you want to unlink your Postmates account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process can help maintain your privacy and manage your online presence better. Step 1. Open Facebook settings. Log into your Facebook account and click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 3. Locate Postmates. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Postmates. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 4. Remove Postmates. Once you have selected Postmates, look for the option to remove or unlink. Click on this option and confirm your decision when prompted to ensure the app is disconnected from your Facebook account. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After removing Postmates, it is a good idea to refresh the page and check that Postmates no longer appears in your list of connected apps. This confirms that your accounts have been successfully unlinked. By following these steps, you can easily unlink your Postmates account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support for either platform.